Oh, it's a customer's car. There will be no burnouts in this car. Not gonna happen.
Does the customer know you're here?
Yeah. Oh, he lied to us.
Hey, that's my car.
All right. Good job, Russ Randall. All right, here we go. We got a T-shirt. Throw it into the deal here. Here we go. Hybrid. Oh! Wow, this is gonna be good. No.
Barstool by a nose.
Barstool by a barstool. Wow. Okay, we're gonna get one more. We get 2 time runs and then negotiate. Comes Calalente. Boy, Cal looks serious.
Hey guys, you can't see this from down here.
He looks so serious.
But the bumper sticker on the bar stool says no milk, got beer.
Yeah.
Run, Rudolph. Stop showing off.
Oh, they had to go up around the corner and put a little...
I don't think they have a brake on it.
Oh. There's no brakes here? Yeah. Oh, that's not good.
No, they got brakes.
Brakes are important.
Are they switching lanes?
I guess so. I don't know. I can't remember that.
You can't remember
I can't remember that far back.
All right.
I don't think so, though.
I guess you've been in the bar business too long.
Uh-huh. You ready?
He was sandbagging him. He was sandbagging him.
Yeah. Bruce said he got a bad start last time, though. He said he red arm. No, he didn't red arm.
No, Bruce wasn't running it all the way through. Hey, Ron, you want to do one more? All or nothing?
Well, those were just time runs. Now we're going to negotiate. But I don't think they will. It's probably going to be heads up. Uh-oh, we got controversy here. They think Bruce is sandbagging. They think Bruce is leaving the bottle at the line here. Okay, Bruce is giving up 2 links. That means he's sandbagging. I love it. Bruce is a smart guy. He knows what's happening. He hasn't.
That's good. That's good.
Oh, he's telling him to go more.
Oh.
All right. All right. This is round 1 right here. This is it. You get best of 3. Best of 3 goes right here. You guys ready? You ready? Sandbagger.
Sandbagger.
Yep. Bruce is a smart little guy on that bar stool. Yeah, Bruce knows what he's doing. I think Bruce has been doing this for a while.
Come on now. He's got a bar stool for a car. Beer helps your brain cells, doesn't it? Or is it the opposite?
All right, so Bruce says this is the first time he's ever drag raced in his entire life. Who believes that? Who doesn't believe it? doing? Well, all right.
Maybe this is the first time he drag raced an actual lawnmower. We'll say that. Bruce says okay.
All right, we negotiated 5 lengths. 1. All right, Bruce was willing to give up 5 lengths. It should be good. All right, here we go. You guys ready? This is round 2. Round 2, ready?
Heads up! Heads up! Heads up!
All right, Cal wins that one by about 2 inches or something.
My entire.
So the 5 lengths are pretty good. Let's go 1 more. I think that's where we should be. This is it. I think 5 lengths, and we get 1 more shot at it.
I say 4.5. 4.5. 4.5. I think Cal is sandbagging now.
All right, they agreed. 5 lengths. Let's do 5 lengths again. All right, this is it. Final round.
Make some noise! Come on, guys!
You guys are kicking in. They're having a good time. Ready?
The bar still got out of control. He lost it.
All right, is that it?
I think that's it.
Cal!
Cal. So Cal, no, I mean, you know, Bruce lost that deal. So Bruce is 3rd.
All right, so we're putting Cal against Jeff then in the finals. Is that what's going on?
That's it right now. Let's make it happen.
All right, Jeff, pull on up. Let's go. All right, this is the first time I've ever seen a high-speed bar stool. Make some noise for Bruce, ladies and gentlemen. This was fun. I love my job. Hi, Jamie.
What about us?
Hi, guys.
Hey, baby!
How you doing out there in the beer garden? Yeah. What's up, guys? How you doing in the beer garden? Hey, you over here, guys. You guys having fun? Yeah. Hey, Bruce, you want to play chicken?
You get a t-shirt donated by Honest Performance on Highway 99. On 838-7070. Give Chris and Steve a call. They have high performance parts. Not for lawnmowers, but any kind of racing needs, they've got it. They're a big supporter of this event and every event that we have, so make sure you take care of them. Where's Jeff?